Your cutting board is making you sick. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from the pantry. Plastic cutting boards are in hundreds of millions of homes and could be causing serious health problems. I am a huge knife fan. If you've seen any of my videos, I love and adore Cutco knives and Cutco stainless cookware, but I will never use their polypropylene cutting boards or any plastic cutting boards for that matter. Let me tell you why. Newsflash, knives cut things. Shocking, I know. So as you are chopping and dicing your food, you are also chopping your cutting board. Polypropylene is soft. It protects your knives from getting dull, which is great for your knives. But guess what happens to that soft material when it's cut against? Guess where it goes? Straight into your food. Don't believe me? Take a look at your cutting board. These slice marks came from somewhere, and what was cut off went straight into your food. So unless you like ingesting toxic plastics, throw your plastic cutting boards in the trash. What do I use? Wood. I will only use wood cutting boards. The harder the wood, the better. Wood is naturally antimicrobial. My favorite boards are linked below. Scientists discovered that 99.9% of bacteria placed on wood cutting boards start to die within minutes. After being left untouched at room temperature overnight, there were no remaining living bacteria on the wooden board the next day. Crazy. In comparison, the cheaper plastic boards had very little effect on the dangerous microbes, which stayed all alive and well. Now yes, you will also be slicing into the wood and possibly ingesting little wood bits. But tiny wood flecks are natural and your body has no problem digesting a plant, unlike a plastic, right? Pretty crazy, right? So do you want to be eating plastic or plants? Let me know in the comments if you knew that wood was naturally antimicrobial and bacteria can't survive on wood cutting boards. Pretty awesome, right? And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes and tips using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.